Hey stargazers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the free features in Astro Gold iOS for iPhone and iPad. I'm going to show you what you can immediately start using before upgrading. If you've been curious about Astro Gold but want to see what's included before committing, then this is the video for you. I'll walk you through the free features and show you how they work on Astro Gold iOS. So let's dive in. Press Chart to create a new chart. Press New Natal Chart. I'm going to use Cardi B as an example. So I'm going to put the name in, and then I'm going to tab down to put the date of her birth. And then you can see we've also got time here and the place and the location. You can also press the blue I button to search that location or country or state. For America, put the place and the state. For any other country, put the place and the country name. I press the blue I to check I've spelt those locations correctly. If so, the coordinates will be green. Then press Go. Press View to see the chart. I have the zodiac set as tropical and the house system as Placidus. This can be changed in settings. Press the box in the top right to view the aspects as a grid. This includes applying and separating orbs. Use 2 fingers on the screen to zoom in and zoom out by pinching. This is a great way to really see the aspects in the center of the chart. To view the current transits, press where it says Charts, and then you want to press this big grey box. Next, press Current Transits Here and Now, and then press View. This is the current transits for the day. You can also view this in the grid as well to view aspects. You can move forward time and backward time by going to the time stepper at the top. I'm changing it to 2 weeks here, and you'll see if I press the backward button, it will move back in time, and the forward button will move forward time. You can also step backward and forward the aspect grid. So I'm just going to change this here to 1 month, and you can do it as slowly or as quickly as you want to change that. Click on 2 charts to create a bi-wheel. I'm going to view Cardi B's chart with the transits. Once selected, just press View. Cardi B is the inside wheel and the transits are the outside wheel. Again, you can zoom in for this, so that's fantastic for more detail. And you can also use the time stepper to view the transits against her birth chart. You can view the transits to her birth chart in the grid, and you can also time step this forward as well. So you can see that the aspects are changing there. You can also view the 2 charts as a bi-wheel to look at synastry. So I'm going to go into my charts that I've saved, and I'm going to select Tim Burton. That would be an interesting creative project if they work together. The arrows in the top right that cross over, if you click that, it will change the order of the chart. So this would be Tim Burton as the center chart and Cardi B as the outside, and now I've just swapped it around again. Here we're viewing the grid, which shows the planetary aspects between both of their birth charts. Press the circle top right to view their bi-wheel. Again, use a 2-finger pinch to zoom in for more detail. To create a tri-wheel, press where it says 3 charts. Press the grey transit box and then press current transits to make sure it's up to date. When you go to the chart, you'll now see that you've got Cardi on the inside, Tim in the middle wheel, and the transits on the outside wheel. And you can also time step the transit wheel forward and backward in time as well. When you view the aspect grid as a tri-wheel, it will show the first center chart with the transits. In this case, we've got Cardi. Remember, you can always change this to the other person. Again, pinch 2 fingers to zoom into the chart, particularly handy with the tri-wheel as it has so much information. To save a chart, simply press Save. Click the file you want to save it in and press Save. Astro Gold already comes with files you can use to save your charts in, but you can also create your own as I have here. Let me show you how to do that. First, click the grey button, then press Select from File. Next, you want to press Edit at the top, and then press the Addition plus button. Type in the name of the file that you want to create. So I'm just going to put Cardi Test, then press Save. That is now showing in the list. Above, you'll notice all the files are being saved in iCloud. Return to the chart that you want to save, press on the chart name, then press the Save button. I'm going to save it in the Cardi test file I just created. You'll now see it says it's saved. To check that you saved that correctly, go to Select from File. Next, you want to click on the file name Cardi B, and it's there. You can save files on iCloud as mentioned or on your local computer. Press Settings and then go to iCloud Drive Enabled, and you'll see you have the option there, either local or iCloud. Personally, I always use iCloud. There's lots of extra information that comes with Astro Gold iOS. So if you click on Reports and then click the top bar, I'm going to have a look at basic details first. You've got the planet, longitude, declination and house. Click on any line and it will give you a professionally written interpretation of the planet, the zodiac sign, the house and the aspects. The Beginners and Legends is fantastic if you're new to astrology, an astrology student, and it's going to show you all the symbols with their correspondences and their names so you can become confident with those symbols. This includes the aspects as well. You also have an aspect list, so click on that and you'll see this is all the same aspects that you have in the grid, but if you click on them, this will also show an interpretation. As well as natal, you can also have a look at transit interpretations as well, showing the planet in the zodiac sign, the house, and the aspects it's making. We also have a interpretations button in the bar as well, and you can view them this way. Press on that. These are the natal interpretations, and you click on it and you'll get the details there as well. You can print or share your chart with somebody by clicking the print button at the top, and you can either press print or send it via airdrop, email or text message. You can also add the Astro Gold widget, which can either be a transit or a natal chart. Press down on the home screen until you get the edit button. Click this and then add widget. Next, type in Astro Gold. You'll then see that the chart wheel comes up, and if you scroll through, there are some transit listings as well. I'm going to show you with the chart wheel though. So just click on that and then press done. And then once you've done that, if you actually click on it, it will then take you through to the app with the chart. That's a wrap for the free features with Astro Gold iOS. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That way you can stay up to date with software updates, walkthrough features, and also advanced astrology techniques. You can download Astro Gold iOS for your iPhone or iPad today from the App Store. So start charting the future with the stars. For updates on tips and astrology insight, you can follow us on our social media pages. We've got Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.